Hello, my name is Sanvi Sabnoon. Today I'm going to present the network design, the assignment of the PFN feature by using Ubuntu's operating system. So first thing, I go to open the terminal to ping the IP address from PFNs. Pings 192.168.1.1. Right, so the ping is pinging the IP address from PSNs. So I'm going to ping the port number, which is 8.8.8.8. Yep. So the IP address is ping each other. I'm gonna stop the command, and then I open the browser of the PFN homepage. So I'm gonna tap the IP address of the web page 192.116. So I give the default password, admin and password PFN, like a default, and assign into the homepage of the PFNs. So this is the system information. So they provide the user IP address. So first thing I'm going to open the server, the firewall. So click on LAN. So I've been blocked the IPv4 LAN net. So I'm going to enable it to access to the internet. So select here from block to pass, and then that's all, and then click save, apply change. So the Ubuntu system now connecting to the internet. So example, I'm open the Wikipedia. So the internet is working right now. So after this, I'm going to perform a function in the PFN. So I'm going to click. So the Alliance can do the add IP address port URL. So I'm gonna add the one of it. So I'm give it to the name of web server and the description web server, and the port type of should be the port. So I provide the port is 80 for HTTP, and I will add another port, should be the 443 for HTTPS, and click on save and apply change. So the port has been added, Alliance Firewall Alliance port. So the web server, the port number 80 and 448. So next thing I'm going to forward the port. So I'm click on net. So I'm going to add one. So there are some interface protocol soft address soft port here. So I'm going to add one of it from the Alliance. I'm click on add, and interface still on WAN, the IPv4 protocol TCP, WAN address. So this is port rank. So from give the name. It can provide the port number as well, but I would like to provide the port name. Web server. So restriction single host. This one should be the WAN address. So my WAN address is 192.168.20.29. So this one, the port is web server, and click on save, apply change. Yeah, so the rule in the port forward is in here. So have a look in the firewall rule. So in it's been forwarded to the external IP address here in the WAN. IPv4. So install. I click on save. Supply chain. And one more thing, I want to add the URL. Example, like I'm gonna add one in Alliance. I get the name of blockbot and the URL port. So I copy the URL from example. I want to block the game in the website. Yeah, this link is www.y8.com. So I want to block this one. So I'm gonna save. Apply chain. So the URL here is in the firewall URLs. So the next thing, I'm going to block another website. So I'm going to block the redis.com. So it's still working at the moment. So first thing, I want to check the IP of the website. I'm going to open the terminal. Ping the website web.com. So the IP address is 1151.101.1.140. So I'm gonna go back to PSN homepage. So I'm going to firewall Alliance. So I'm going to add the I get the name, so will be the block website, and the description should be the restriction access. So provide a tab of the host. And the IP address, the address is www.reddit.com, and restriction QR site, and then I got another host of the IP address 151.101.1.140. The website IP address. And then I click on save. Apply change. So the IP address is the blocking website here. So I'm go back to the firewall rule. So I'm go to the rule, click on LAN. So I'm going to apply another rule on LAN. So I change to the blocks, and keep on this. Change the protocol to TCP and UDP. Source any destination should be the single host and alias. So I had given the name the blockade website, and the destination ran from any to any, and description I provide to restriction website. Then I click on save and apply chain. The website, the web www.redis.com, so it's been blocked, so I have to go back and I click on restart. Maybe I try a new tab, www.reddit.com. So it's loading. It's mean it's not working at the moment. So I'm gonna example to open another website like Facebook. So yeah, Facebook is working at the moment. It's working, but the Redis is .com is been blocked, so it's not working at the moment. Yeah, it's still loading. So it's been blocked in the firewall rule.